Hi, today I'll show you how to add illustration to OpenSea and put it up for sale. We need to go to our collections, choose some collection where you want to add your illustration and go to add item. Here you need to upload illustrations that you are going to sell. Here write illustration name. OpenSea will include a link to this URL on this item's detail page so that users can click to learn more about it. You are welcome to link to your own web page with more details. So this link can be copied and you can send to someone or post it on your social network or somewhere else. This link will take you to illustration page. Here you need to describe in detail about your illustrations. Here you need to specify in which collection your illustration will be displayed. Here are additional settings, but I don't use them. It's not necessary. You can add text strokes as rectangles. You can add numerical traits that show as a progress bar. You can add numerical traits that just show as numbers. You can block content and only you can see this content. If you have explicit content, then you need to indicate it by clicking here. Here you enter the number of items that can be minted, if that's possible. I can't. Here you choose whether you want the price to be displayed in Ether or in Polygon. Here you can phrase metadata info. Phrasing your metadata will allow you to permanently look and store all of this item's content in decentralized file storage. We don't need this. When you have completed all the register items, click Create. Confirm. Done. We have put illustration on site. Now we need to set the price. Click Sell. You can set a fixed price or put up for auction. To put up for auction, you will need to pay some gas. To set a fixed price, you don't need to pay gas. I choose to set a fixed price. Here you can choose in which currency illustration will be sold. I put Ethereum. Enter your price here. Here you can see the ratio of price you're specific in Ether to dollar. Here we set the date, for how long you want to set the sale. I set for 6 months. During this time you will not be able to raise the price, only lower it until the deadline expires. Then again you can set any price. If you want to sell several illustrations in one package, then click here. I don't want. You can reserve for specific buyer. For example, if you create illustration to order for specific customer and you need only him to buy this work, then you set it reserved. When you have specified everything, click Complete Listing. That's all. Have a good day and take care.